Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Parshvika. Welcome to GLOBO Art and Mixing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload your art and design onto the Zazzle. I have already made a video talking about a complete tutorial where step by step on opening up a store till the end and uploading an art and all that. If you want to check above guys, you can check all these things in the card section above guys. But in today's video guys, I'm going to show you another way. Like in that I've shown you just the one way to upload an art. Today I'm going to show you another way to upload art design onto the Zazzle and how to use the Zazzle designer tool and various things regarding it. So let's get straight into my laptop and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So before going into the good part, consider clicking on the like button guide. I really appreciate that, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming related content like this. So let's get straight into my laptop and yeah guys. We are on Zazzle. This is my own store guys, so I'm gonna just show you how to upload a product. So I'm just gonna go over to this product option. Now in the product option, I've already shown you how to use or how to add a product by choosing this option as a quick create, because in that option you're gonna get an opportunity to upload your art on all the products they have on the Zazzle marketplace in just one single step. So you can go with that. I've already talked about in my those two tutorials. You can check in the card section above guys. But today I'm going to show you how to upload an art or design by choosing this option, that is a create new product option, which is there for you to upload a single piece of artwork on a single product. So today I'm going to just show you. So let's just hover onto this option, create new product. So here are the different product guys. You can choose whatever product you want to go with that, but I think I'm gonna go with the greeting cards with the invitations, because greeting cards invitations sell well. So I'm just gonna go over to the greeting card section. And here we are, the custom cards, unleash your creativity. Let me just scroll down and just go over to the different types of cards. So you can select whatever shape, size of the card you want. Like you want the postcard, the standard, or the flat holiday cards, or the square magnet. Like you can choose whatever template you wanna. But I think I'm just gonna go with that. So I'm just gonna click on the create your own option. So here we are guys, we are getting this option to customize this product and to add a design onto this product. So you can either add the text or either can add the image. So I'm just going to click over to the add image option. Now this is the Zazzle design tool guys. This is the tool on which you can customize your any product onto the Zazzle and can add your design, text, so many different things. So I'm just going to go and pick up an illustration. Now these are the illustrations I've already uploaded onto the Zazzle. You can very well go over to the my files option and can upload your own design from it. You can just go over to the my files, upload images, upload from your mobile phone, and can proceed with that. But I think I'll just going to pick up any illustrations. So I'm just going to make a card. So I think I'm just going to pick up this one. So here this is, let me just resize it. Okay guys, let me just resize. It's looking much larger. So let me just resize it. Yeah. So this is the illustration guys I uploaded from my laptop. You can also go over to the element section, the different icon section on the Zazzle itself, and can select the different kinds of illustrations and graphics you want. Now I'm going to go with the text option. So I'm going to just click over to the add text option. So what text you want to add? Since I'm making a greeting card for the birthday, so I'm just going to type a happy birthday and click on the option OK. So here is the happy birthday. I think the size is not proper, so I just need to resize it. Okay, so it's looking perfect. Now guys, you can change the edit your text over here. You can change the font. You can pick up any font, the serif, the sans serif, the symbol, distress handwriting, scriptive, like whatever font you want to pick up, you can pick up from the font over here. And then you can change the color of your text. I think I'm just gonna go with the black. You can pick up any color. You can change the size. You can either want it the central, left, right. You can scale it, rotate it, flip it. So there is so much more you can do that, the letter spacing, line spacing, curvature, and you can just go on to this and you can customize your text according to it. I think I'm just happy with that. Now, if you want to add the element, you can just click over to that and you can add a certain element, the triangle, the square and the circle you can add from over here. You can also add the different icons, like if you want to, since it's the baby dinosaur, so you can add the any animal. If you want any illustration over here or over here, you can add the different types of illustrations and you can do it. So they have a huge collection of the different illustrations. You can add it. You can also change the background. I think it's plain black. So I just think I just gonna go with the background because I need a background. Either you can just simply use the simple color, a single color, or you can also use the different kinds of textures and patterns for your background. So I think I'm just gonna go with this one. Let me see how it's looking. Here it is, guys. I have added the background. It's looking pretty amazing. It's not white. It's a textured pattern, but it's very light. And I want it light because I have already uploaded a graphic over there. You can choose it, guys. They have so many different things over here. You can add your own files. You can also add the different product. About this product, you can see the details about add the different layers. You can collaborate with any other designer, any other artist. You can share it with your friends and all those things. You can invite the friends as well. Now guys, you can also change the size of your card. It's a 5 by 7 inches. You can pick up the size wherever you want to do it. You can change the shape. You can want the different shapes, or you can choose the paper type, whatever paper type you want. This is a light eggshell white uncoated matte finish. You can use the paper type whatever you wanna. You want the printing process to be standard or high definition. They take the extra bucks for high definition, that is $0.35, that is a 35 cents. So I think I'm just happy with the design. I just need to upload it. So I'm just gonna click over to the done option. Boom, guys, we are done with our card. We are done with the designing of the card. Now we need to add this product onto our shop. So either if you want to purchase your own product, you can just click onto the add to cart option and can go with the credit card details and can purchase your own card. But since we want to sell it, you cannot post a card for sale if the design contains icons or content that you do not own. Okay guys, so one thing I'm going to tell you straightforward, that I have added the background onto this thing which is not owned by me, so I can't sell it. So I can sell only those cards on this platform, or only those products on this platform for which the illustrations or for which the graphics I have the owned or I have the right to sell. So I think I'm just going to go again and we're going to edit it so that I can sell it. So I'm just going to remove the background, because I think that the background was there which I added it from their side. So I just need the plain white background. I just removed that background which I've used it because of that background only I wasn't able to sell this product, because I don't have the rights to sell these items. This design tool is specifically for those people who wanna just want to use their tools, want to use their icons and to purchase the card from to the Zazzle. But if you are a designer and you're using this tool, make sure you are not using the icons or backgrounds or textures or anything from the Zazzle, because you don't have the right to sell them, so don't use them. But if you want to purchase any card from the Zazzle, then you can very well use it and make your card, customize it and can purchase it. So I'm just gonna select the plain white background. Here it is, guys. I've selected plain background. I've removed that background which I've done it. Now I'm just going to click over to the done it option. Okay guys, now I have the right to sell it. So you can see when I have added that background, which I don't have the right because I haven't made that background, so I don't have the right to sell that background. So at that time I wasn't having this option. I was just having the add to cart or edit design option. But when I removed that background, I added just a simple white background. Now I have the option to sell it. So I'm just going to click over to sell it, or either you can change the size, shape, whatever you do it, but I'm just going to go over to the sell it option. Now guys, I have only added the front side of my card. You can also add the back side of the card, but I don't want that, so I just want it to be a blank, and I'm just going to click over to the publish it option. But if you want the back side, then you can go and add the back side of the option as well. Now this is the juicy option. This is the way by which the people will going to find your product. So since it's a happy birthday card, so I'm just going to write a baby blue dinosaur happy birthday card. Okay, now I just need to select the marketplace department since it's a greeting card. So I just need to click over to this, and you can select the if it's related to Easter or Hanukkah or New Year, Thanksgiving, Valentine, whatever it is, you can go and select that. But since it's my normal greeting cards, I just need to select that. Now I'm gonna type the description. So blue dinosaur birthday card beautifully design. I think I made a mistake over here. Okay, now I'm going to just proceed down. You can select the different merchandising option, the size, shape, or the different types of paper you want. The option to select the events and the occasions. I need to select that because since it's a happy birthday card, so it's related to the occasion. So I'm just going to go over to the occasions menu and we'll select to the birthdays. And I think it would be more appropriate for a children because it's a baby dinosaur. So I'm just going to select the children and just click over to the OK. Make sure you optimize this option to be found onto the Zazzle, which is really important. If you are uploading any product which is related to any events or occasion, you go into that and select this option. Now I'm going to select a recipient, like who is your ideal customer for which this card is for. So I think my ideal customer is the children. So I'm just going to select for the kids. And you can select the baby boy, baby girl, boy, daughter, child, whatever, but I think it's applicable for any child. I'm just gonna click over to the any child and okay. Whichever store you have, like you have the option to upload product onto the Zazzle. Apart from that, you also have the option to select your product to be live on which shop. Like I have 2 or 3 shop in this one account, so you can go that and you can select by that, but I think I'm just happy with that. I'm gonna go with adding a tags. You can add 5 to 10 tags, so I'm just gonna quickly add the tags. So I have added it. So I have added the 6 tags, guys. You can see I have added the 6 tags. You can select if the card is only for the kids or it's for everyone or something like that, but I think it's for everyone because my card doesn't contain anything which is related to the which is not related to the kid or which is not related to the upgrade. Like it's for everyone. Now you want the product visibility, it's for public, hidden, or direct only. I want the public. If you are selecting direct only, that means you're driving traffic for your store. You are not uploading it for the Zazzle marketplace. Now you can also add the customization option if you want your customer to customize it as they want to. Yes, I want that. Now this is the royalty percentage. Ideally by default they have the 5%. You can increase it. Now the price of the product is $2.10 and the royalty I'm going to make is 11 cents, but I'm going to do it as a 10 cents, sorry, 10 percentage. The royalty percentage I'm setting is at 10%. Now I have the right to publish and sell this product. I'm just clicking it and click on the posted option. Now yes, it will going to take 24 hours for my product to be appear in search results. Okay. Boom guys, our product is live. You can see you have added your product to the marketplace. If you don't see it immediately, there's no need to worry. It can take up to 24 hours for the product to show up in the search results. So we have uploaded the art design onto the card. This is the way you can upload a single product onto your shop on which you can want to customize your design. So that's it guys, that's it for today's tutorial. If you really enjoyed today's tutorial, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about today's video. Are you uploading your art and design onto the Zazzle or not? How is your Zazzle journey going? I would really love to connect with you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye.